Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So you can see that I've currently made a little bit of a setup right here, and that's because we're going to make some projections with text today. So what we've got here is a little bit of a background, and then we've got the camera that I currently haven't set up to the correct direction, but I will do that in the end. So what we're going to start off with is go to your render engine and make sure that you have cycles selected under render engine rather than Eevee. We're going to go ahead and add in a light, and we're going to add a spot. So let's go with G and bring this up. We're going to go ahead and rotate this spotlight toward our little setup right here. R for rotate and G to move across, and I'm going to go S for scale just to bring this up a little bit, and G just to move this back. So when we go ahead to the render viewport right here on top, we should have something like this. Now this light currently, if we go to the light right here, we can improve the power, we can improve the exposure. Also what I would say is let's go ahead, go back to regular render, and just go ahead and press the little dot on the front right there. You should be able to move that across to where you need it to be. This will go wider and it will also go to the side. Let's go with G and just bring this forward real quick. To improve the lighting on here, just move it up. You see with the power right there at the side, this light's now going up. So I'm going to go ahead and just press G and move this back just a little bit, and then I'm just going to rotate this toward our object right here, and G to move back and G to move to the side as such. So when we want this text on here, let's go ahead and go to shading, and what we're going to find is emission and light output. So we're going to go ahead and add image, texture, color to color, and open, and what you want to do is find a picture for this. So I've just previously made one, so let's go ahead and find that. I've got so much on my computer right now. Right, so yes, I've got the folder right here, so let's go ahead and add this onto here. It should. Okay, so with our image right here, when we click our file, we should have our file just here. So you're going to want to go and make a little file in a design studio or something like that, or like something akin to Carita, or you could have an image if you wanted to. So now we should have this projected on the side of our piece, and we could go ahead and strengthen this. And if you wanted a little bit more contrast, go to the world settings, and we can deepen the shadows just here. So now we've got this nice little bounce coming through as well. I'll go ahead and just put this on the layout real quick. So we'll rotate this around so you guys can see. So this is projected text, and this is what it will look like when you do so. So yeah, this is kind of a small tutorial just to show you how to do this and how to project things onto different objects. I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. If you're interested in anything past Blender, I'm also a published author. I write novels, I write puzzle books, self-help books, all that kind of stuff. I don't have many copies with me at the moment to show you guys, but I have plenty on my Amazon that you can explore, and I also have plenty on my Google accounts that you can explore. Yeah, so if you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.